Oh, I went the wrong way. I got out. Wait, son? Shit.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck it is.
It's okay. Go up to. Oh, it's right down the hallway. It's fine now.
Oh yeah.
Run towards it and then use your ability.
Oh, get up,
It's
go.
closed. No, it's closed. You gotta go.
No! Whoa! Oh my god.
You hesitated.
Knew that shit was gonna happen, bro. Fuck.
Yeah, just go up there. You should just go up and do it again. So like not go down there. You should just try to go through a door instead. It's behind you. Oh, okay. Yeah, you can go that way. Go straight and then left. Yeah.
You get away from me!
You should have run because Cook might be using his ability. And then it's to your right.
A lot of blood.
Yeah, it's in that room over there.
Oh, this way?
Yeah, go back, go to the left, and then try to open the cross space. Or you could go that way to your right. Not through there, To your right.
Oh my right.
Yeah.
This way?
Yeah, through that door. Yeah. To your right again. Open that door. Oh, no. Yeah, keep going. Just go for it. Okay.
Please, God, help me.
It's right there in front of you. Yeah, just turn around.
Finally. I left. I need to find the others.
I need health though. Yeah.
This isn't good.
I'm just gonna go for it.
I have
Probably
to
gonna
stop
die
the
for
bleeding.
I don't know, man. Not that bad. You could try to.
What?
Oh, that's not even open.
It's too quiet.
It's taking way too long, bro.
Something's not right.
Actually, just go back upstairs.
Maybe. Oh, there's no way I
Roman's
make
not
it.
even there. Yeah, you make it.